Now, the reasons for US dollar strength this year have been really well documented, as the Fed's taken a hawkish policy stance to control surging US inflation, and on top of that, safe haven bids have also boosted the US dollar on and off throughout the year. However, recently there's been a big rise in US dollar short positions via the CFTC report, and you can see that turning up on the dollar index here, as asset managers are starting to eye a potential peak in the US dollar. Now, if inflation data comes in weaker on Thursday, then the US dollar may find further reasons to weaken. Now, one commodity that can potentially see some early gains from US dollar weakness is platinum. Platinum has some very pronounced gains on the seasonal pattern due to a number of industrial purchases that tend to be made around the start of the year, and that's given platinum its exceptionally strong seasonal pattern. We'll look at that in a minute. We can see here that platinum itself is just sat above this overhead resistance from the 8th of August and the end of October that's now turned support, with 100 and 200 exponential moving average, providing good support for platinum prices. Now, if we just look at platinum seasonals, you can see the clear seasonal pattern. Over the last 25 years, platinum has gained 23 times and only lost value twice. So if there are reasons for US dollar weakness, can that potentially give an early entry into platinum's seasonal pattern that you can see here? The major risk here is that US inflation keeps gaining higher, which will likely keep the US dollar bought, and that should pressure platinum lower. Also, slowing global demand could impact industrial demand for platinum this year. Remember, don't just trade it, but season exit.